Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be something called the element replacement. This is one very nice feature that shows very well the parametric properties of T-Flex CAD. Okay, it's very simple to use, and I will use two simple examples to show what we can do. So starting with the first example, let us create a very simple box with some circles inside. Okay, I hope this is enough. Let us create a couple of graphic lines, and I will put also two circles. Okay, doing also this graphical, and now let's create some hatch automatic. Okay, and let us consider also this guy here. Okay, so we have this kind of drawing done, and to show you the replacement, I will change the replacement of this circle for this circle. So we can go to this menu here, edit, do the replace, say the source object is this one, and the target it is this one, confirm, and one element is replaced by this other circle. This is one example to show this functionality. Another example, it is, let's try to create something. So a couple of graphic construction lines, sorry. Let us make too low. Let us make one more line. Okay, now a circle. Okay, something like this, and one more line from here to here. So some graphical ones, for example, something like this, and creating some hatch automatic. Let us create, and the idea now is to make the replacement from this construction line to this one. So edit, replace, this is the source, this is the target, simply do it. So these are two very nice examples that can show you some potential for this replacement of elements. Any questions or any examples that you want to share with us? Okay, you know how to reach us.